The line graph is about the traffic flow throughout the day. The y-axis is about the number of vehicles. At 6 p.m., it experienced the peak time, which is more than 900 vehicles. 12 p.m., it experienced the lowest, which is only 100 vehicles. On the other hand, 9 p.m. experienced another peak again, which is almost 900. Overall, it's about the traffic flow throughout the day.
The heading provided on the top of the picture is about traffic flow throughout the day. Time of day is present in the x-axis, number of vehicles present in the y-axis. 100 is the smallest number and 900 is the highest number. Similarly, we can also observe that the image compares the information between 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m., 12 a.m., and 3 a.m. Overall, the picture is highlighted different type of color, including black, white, blue, and red. In conclusion, the picture is very informative.
The graph shows line traffic flow throughout the day. It shows relationship between the number of vehicles and the time of the day. At the start at 6 a.m., the traffic is most and at 900, then goes down till 12 p.m. below 200, then a sharp increase can be seen from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. to above 800. Then the traffic flow again goes down from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. below 300. To conclude, the image shows different time intervals for the traffic flow throughout the day, and it shows viral data of the traffic flow.
This line chart gives information about traffic flow throughout the day. From the picture we can see in 3 p.m. the value is 350 and in 6 p.m. the number is higher, which is 380. The highest one is in 6 a.m., which is 918, and the lowest one is in 12 p.m., just 120. To sum up, the picture tells about traffic flow throughout the day.
This line chart gives information about traffic flow throughout the day. The horizontal axis gives information about time of day such as 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and etc. However, by the other hand, the vertical axis is about number of vehicles and it shows different numbers such as 200, 300, and etc. The highest number is 900 and the lowest number is 100. The main color is purple.
The image represents a line chart which gives information about traffic flow throughout the day. There are different types of times given on the x-axis, whereas on the y-axis I can see the number of vehicles from 100 to 1000. From the picture, it can be clearly seen that at 6 a.m. it recorded the highest number of vehicles with approximately around 950, whereas 12 p.m. recorded the least number of vehicles with approximately around 100. 9 p.m. recorded the second highest number of vehicles with approximately around 850. Overall, this picture tells about traffic flow throughout the day at different times.
The line graph giving information about traffic flow throughout the day. On the x-axis mention time of a day: 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m., 12 a.m., 3 a.m. On the y-axis highlighted number of vehicles: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. The highest area is covered by 900, which is of 6 a.m. The lowest area is covered by 1000, which is of the year 12 p.m. Overall, the line graph giving information about traffic flow throughout the day.
The picture is mainly about traffic flow. It also shows traffic flow as well as throughout the day. In addition, I can see number of vehicles as well as time of the day. On the other hand, 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. as well as 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. It is clear that 900 and 600 as well as 400 and 200. In conclusion, the line chart gives information about the maximum number of vehicles in 6 a.m. and the minimum number of vehicles in 12 p.m.
This line graph gives information about traffic flow throughout the day. Firstly, from this picture, it appears to be fluctuating patterns with the highest number over 900, which is in 6 a.m., with the lowest number 100, which is in 12 p.m. It is clear that there is important relationship between time of the day and number of vehicles, including some key factors 9 a.m., which is over 700, and over 300, which is 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. In conclusion, this picture talks about traffic flow throughout the day.
This picture shows a line graph for traffic flow throughout the day between 6 a.m. and 3 a.m. and the number of vehicles for 100 and 950. It shows that the maximum portion of traffic belongs to 6 a.m., which is about 950, and 9 p.m., which is about 850. It also shows the minimum traffic jams belongs to 12 p.m., which is about 120, and 3 a.m., which is about 300. It also shows in 9 a.m. is 750 and in 3 p.m. which is about 350. In conclusion, this line graph shows traffic flows throughout the day.
The picture shows information about traffic flow throughout the day. The x-axis represents time of day starting from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and the y-axis represents number of vehicles from 100 to 900. The highest value is at 6 a.m., which is 900, and the lowest value is at 12 p.m., which is between 100 and 200. Overall, the picture shows a comparison of values. In conclusion, the given image provides information about traffic flow throughout the day.
The title of the given image is Traffic Flow Throughout the Day, and it is a line graph. The horizontal line represents time of the day from 6 a.m. to 3 a.m., whereas the vertical line shows number of vehicles from 100 to 900. Traffic flow throughout the day is maximum at 6 a.m. with around 900 vehicles, and it is a minimum at 3 p.m. with around 100 vehicles. It clearly depicts that at 3 p.m., traffic flow throughout the day is due to 300 vehicles. Overall, we can clearly see that the data is fluctuating too much and it is decreasing overall. The title of the given image is Traffic Flow Throughout the Year. It is a line graph and the horizontal line represents time of the day from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. and the vertical line shows number of vehicle from 100 vehicle to 900 vehicle. According to this line graph, the traffic flow throughout the year is maximum around 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. and it is minimum around 12 p.m. with around 100 vehicle passing through. The line graph clearly depicts that at 3 p.m. 300 number of vehicles are present.
The image gives information about the traffic flow. The image also includes traffic flow throughout the day. X-axis represent time of the day and y-axis represent number of vehicles. In the x-axis, we can see the time from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. until 3 a.m. In the numbers, we can see 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. It overall represents about the traffic flow.
The line graph gives information about traffic flow throughout the day. The value in 6 p.m. is around 350, and the value of 9 p.m. is higher, which is around 850. The highest value is in 6 a.m., which is around 950, and during 12 p.m. the value is the least, which is nearly equals to 140. Overall, this line graph gives information about traffic flow throughout the day.